Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with a topic understanding quadrilaterals from 8th class NCERT. Here the topic is parallelogram. In previous videos we already learnt about the parallelogram. That is nothing but a opposite sides are parallel. Mostly we are using parallelogram like this. So opposite sides are parallel to each other and having a diagonals. Those are bisecting each other. So this is about the parallelogram. But coming to the parallelogram, we have some specials in a parallelogram. Those are elements of a parallelogram and angles of a parallelogram and diagonals of a parallelogram. We have to study about these individually. So let's start with the elements of a parallelogram. So see here, elements of a parallelogram is nothing but take a parallelogram like this. Let it be like this. So let it be A, B, C, D parallelogram. Now in this we have these two lines are parallel and these two lines are parallel. So we have opposite sides. So opposite sides is nothing but AB is AD bar and BC bar and also AB bar and DC bar. So these are the opposite side. Coming to the adjacent sides, here AB and AD are adjacent sides. So AB bar and AD bar. Similarly, CD bar and BC bar. These two are adjacent sides. So see here, this is and this is adjacent to each other. This line and this line is adjacent to each other. So this is about the opposite sides and adjacent side. Similarly, opposite angles. So this is angle A, this is angle C. So we have angle A and angle C. Similarly, angle D and angle B. So if you make adjacent angles, those are angle A and angle D, and similarly angle B and angle C. So these are the opposite sides and adjacent sides and opposite angles and adjacent angles of a parallelogram. This is about the elements of a parallelogram. Now angles of a parallelogram. So here we have to know about the angles of a parallelogram. If you take a parallelogram here and we have four angles, right? So apart from sides we are only studying about the angles only here. So these are the angles. Let it be A, B, C, D. So here angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. So this is the property, that is opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So I am now going to show you a proof for this. Angles of a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal to each other. So let's take a parallelogram with a small cardboard. I am taking a small parallelogram without measuring any angles. Okay, let it be angle similarly A, B, C, D. So let it name as angle A and angle B and angle C and angle D. Okay. Now take a trace paper similar to this. See here, I am taking with the same measurement of a ABCD parallelogram. So this is the trace paper. So let it be angle A dash and let it be angle B dash and let it be angle D dash and this is finally C dash. Okay, this is similar to this, right? So exactly we have two parallelograms. Now put this on this parallelogram. Now see here, these two are coincide with each other. Now let's rotate parallelogram like this. So now we are getting here, see here, At C we have A, at A we have C dash, at B we have D dash, and at D we have B dash. See here, I am separating these two. So this is A, here we have C1. This is B, we have D1. This is D, we have B1, and this is C, we have A1. You can conclude this. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal? Yes, obviously opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So if you have to test another type, put another side of angle by folding this paper like this. See here, apart from sides we get an angle, so that is equal. So this is also making equal amount of angle. So this is also another proof for this. So I hope you understand about this explanation with the trace paper. Apart from this, another one is another property of angles of a parallelogram. Take another parallelogram and make a transversal here. Transversal is nothing but if any parallel lines are meeting, if the line passing through a two pair of parallel lines, that line said to be transversal. So this is A, B, C, D. Let it be X. This is Y, and this is Z, and this is X, Y, Z, W. So here interior, another property, that is interior alternate angles are equal. So if you take angle X, that is equal to angle Z. If you take angle W, it is equal to angle Y. So this is the property, that is interior alternate angles are equal to each other in a parallelogram. So this is about the angles of a parallelogram. Next, moving into the diagonals of a parallelogram. So take a parallelogram A, B, C, D, make a diagonals. This is the point where the diagonals meet. So these diagonals are bisect each other. At that point of intersection. I am explaining clearly. If you make a diagonal with a B and D and another diagonal with A and C, they are meeting at a point. This is the point. They are bisecting each other. Bisecting means if you take this line as 6 centimeters, here 3 centimeters and 3 centimeters, that line must be divided with a equal amount of measurements. Similarly here, if you take 5, this is 2.5 and this is 2.5 centimeters. So that is the diagonals of a parallelogram bisecting each other. This is the property of a parallelogram, diagonals of a parallelogram bisecting each other at a point of intersection. So I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.